You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly in British English and how they say it in the US. If you want to learn more vocabulary that varies between UK, USA, stay tuned. Spontaneity. That's the basic British English pronunciation. Spontaneity. Spontaneity. In American English? Spontaneity. How to pronounce spontaneity, British English pronunciation, or spontaneity with a flap T that sounds like a D in American English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.